Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be how to paint the inside when the outside's already been painted. Let's go. Let's just begin. This is the inside of the cab, the inside of the door jambs. We're going to be painting them. You're going to say, why didn't you paint that first? Well, I wanted to get the exterior painted as soon as possible. So I'm just going to show you how to do it whenever you have the outside painted already. First of all, whenever I painted the cab, I did remove the seals and everything from the doors. So the white paint did go inside, as you can see. I already scuffed it down. It went inside, which is perfect. Why? Because then I got myself some fine line tape and just covered the edge right there. You can see the fine line tape right there. I covered it all the way around so that when I start sanding all this, that's going to be already done. So when I remove it, you're not even going to notice that it's been painted separate. That's the way to do it. I did take just some yellow tape, automotive tape, and just covered it up, but did leave the fine line tape noticeable just a little, and that's it. That's the way you do it. There's no trick to it. There's nothing that is gonna tell somebody that's been painted separate. This is the other side right there. As you can see the fine line tape right there and the yellow automotive tape. Perfect, 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 perfect. All the rest of the vehicle is covered. Now there is a lot of bare metal where I sanded the gray off. I tried to get as much as possible off. This wasn't able to come off, so I just scuffed it down, feather edged it. I am gonna add direct to metal primer, epoxy primer, but you can use it as a sealer also. All you gotta do is mix it 1:1. You do not have to reduce it, and you can use it as a sealer. I'm just gonna apply it all over and then just wait about 20 minutes to half an hour for it to dry well. I can come back and start applying my paint. That's the way it's gonna work, and that's the way it's supposed to be done. Alright, I applied 2 coats, waiting 15 minutes in between each coat. Now, I did tell you guys that I was going to wait 30 minutes for it to dry. Well, I made a mistake. It's 2 hours. 2 hours for it to dry as per the manufacturer, so I'm just going to follow that. I'm going to wait for 2 hours, then come back, start applying my first coat of base. 2 hours passed. I came back. I applied the first coat of base, which is the white one. So I'm gonna wait about 15 minutes, come back, apply 2 more coats, and should be ready for that pearl. I'll bring you back once the 3rd coat of paint is applied. All right, all 3 coats of the color, the base, has been applied. Now I'm going to be mixing the pearl. I'm just going to apply maybe 1 or 2 coats of pearl. Why? Because I don't know if you've seen cars lately that have pearl. They usually don't even apply pearl on the inside of the door jambs. Why? I have no idea, but I am going to apply about 2 coats, and that should be good. There it is. 2 coats of pearl have been applied. Now I'm just going to let it set for about 15 minutes. I've been waiting 15 minutes in between each coat of pearl. I'm going to wait 15 minutes, come back, apply the clear. Another thing, once I apply the clear, I'm going to show you how to remove that fine line tape so that you don't get a hard edge and have a perfect finish. That'll be the trick for this kind of paint job whenever the outside is already painted. Two coats of clear, that's more than enough for the inside of the door jambs. Now what you need to do, you gotta wait 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. Then you're gonna come back, you're gonna start peeling off the tape and the fine line very carefully, but there's a trick to peeling it off. Let me show you. It has been 45 minutes. Now I did unmask the entire truck already. I just left the fine line tape, as you can see right there. I did leave that. Now I'm gonna show you how to remove it. The way you're gonna do it, it's grab one of the ends and pull away. Don't pull it towards where the paint is at. You're gonna peel it off. Pull it away from the paint. Let me demonstrate. There it is. It's not gonna peel. Your new paint's not gonna peel, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm just gonna be pulling it away. But wait, there's more. I was gonna show the painting of the inside of the doors in another video, but I'll just do it now. Everything has been covered. We're good to go. Let's start spraying that sealer. Well, first I'm gonna be applying some adhesion promoter to the plastic parts. Then we can start applying that sealer to these doors. The adhesion promoter has been applied to the plastic parts. Now, real quick tip, guys. I was gonna use this gun, the Welcome, but it's not spraying right. I forgot to clean it from when I sprayed the door jambs. Rookie mistake, but it happens. Now I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna be using another gun. So let's just continue, all right? And clean your guns after every spray. There you go. I applied the epoxy primer I'm using it as a sealer. So I'm gonna wait about 2 hours for it to dry completely. Come back, start applying that first coat of paint. First coat of base has been applied. Now I'm gonna wait 15 minutes in between each coat. I'm gonna apply 3 coats. I'll bring you back once I applied the third coat so that I can show you how I'm gonna be spraying the pearl actually. Here you go, 3 coats of base. Now I am gonna show you how I'm gonna spray the pearl. So let's just mix it up, start applying it. Real quick, the exterior of the truck has 4 coats of pearl. So I'm gonna apply 2 coats to the bumper and the grill, and these little pieces, they're exterior pieces. Then I'll come back and start applying the third coat and pass to the doors. That'll be the first coat of the doors. Then I'm gonna do the 4th coat and come back to the doors. That'll be the 2 coats for the doors. The inside is 2 coats only. There it is. 2 coats of pearl on the inside of the door jambs and 4 coats of pearl on the exterior parts of the truck. So we're good. Now I'm gonna wait 15 minutes, come back and start applying that clear. This is after 2 days of drying. I already unmasked it. It's good to go. I started putting the seals back. Let me show you the doors. Here are the doors. Came out real nice. They're already dry. It's 102 in here. Let me show you. It's 102, so they're dry. But I just need to wait for tomorrow so that I can start putting all the seals back, getting it ready. But it came out real nice. Now if you guys saw this right here, the reason I didn't fix that is because it has like a bumper guard here, a metal bumper thing, and it's gonna scratch it. I know it's gonna dig into that, but I need to remove the tape and everything. But there it is. There it is. Came out real nice. And this will be it, guys. This will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the painting of the inside of the doors. Let me put the truck back together. I actually re-cleared the lights also because they were yellow real bad, even the fog lights. So let me just put everything back, and I'll bring you a video this coming Wednesday of the truck completed so that the owner can take it. All right, thank you guys. This will be it. Hit that thumbs up if you want to help the channel. There's some links below so you can help the channel. And like always, guys, God bless and stay safe.